How to limit comments on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy. And from the account section, click on privacy. Then scroll down to the interaction section and click on comments. And here you will be able to limit comments on TikTok. Starting with the first option, it says who can comment on your videos and stories. It's set to everyone, so you can choose the second option, followers that you follow back, to limit the comment, or you can turn off the comments completely by choosing no one. The second option, it says comment filters, and it also have three options on it. The first one is the filter all comments, and what this essentially will do is the recent comments on your videos will be hidden unless you approve them. So when anyone makes a comment on one of your videos, the comment will be moved to the comment management section at the bottom where it says review filtered comments. And here you will be able to approve comments after you review them, and only they will appear. The second option is the filter selected comment types, and it has some types of comments that you may want to limit, such as offensive or inappropriate content, curse words, spam, etc. And each one of these has a certain degree that you can adjust. For example, say if you set it to automatic, it will show all of the comments, even if they include these ones right here, like spam and curse words. The second one is less control. It will hold fewer comments. And the third option is more control. It will hold more comments for reviews. So choose whatever options you want. And the third option is the filter keywords. So you can add some keywords right here that you want them to be held and filtered. So when anyone uses these keywords, for example, curse words or stuff like that, or spam words in their comments, the comments will be held for review. So these are all the ways that you can limit comments on TikTok. So go ahead and choose whatever option that suits you the best. So that was it for this video. That's how you can limit comments on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.